welcome to my channel. This is Eleni, and today I'm going to play with dry mediums only, as you can see in the first picture. You can find the link to a free printable sketch of this girl in the description box under this video. You can download it and print it and come and play along with me. You don't have to use exactly the same art supplies that I am using, and that goes for all my videos. Just check what kind of dry mediums you have, like colored pencils, pastels of all sorts, markers of all sorts, wax crayons or other crayons and pens, and play with those. I'm going to try my new Faber-Castell Polychromos Pastels. I recently got them. It's a set of 24 stick pastels, and I'm using blending stumps to blend them. I have one blending stump for every color family to avoid making mud color when using them. And as I've said before, I work intuitively. I just choose whatever dark color speaks to me at the time for the shading, and then I go on with whatever colors looks good to me. I don't know much about color theory, and I'm too lazy to learn, so I'm not saying that it is the right way. I just say that it is what works for me. Also, in my opinion, there isn't a right or a wrong way when your purpose is to just have fun playing with your art supplies. Here I'm going in with one of the finishing line pens that are permanent markers with different nib sizes, and they work over almost everything. And I'm going to continue with colored pencils because I like more dramatic shading than this. I always love to use soft pastels on my girls. I find that they give the face a smooth look that I like, and also they cover larger areas very quickly. So here I'm using them again, as usual. And here I'm using white paint pens that are amazing for the highlights. And this is my favorite black brush marker with permanent ink that works over everything. It's called LTQ pen or license to quill pen. And because it is a brush marker, you get lines that aren't all the same thickness, and I love that. I'm finishing off with a silver sparkling brush marker. And this is it. Hope you came along and played with me, and hope you had fun, maybe even learned something. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, but also click the bell beside the subscribe button, because this way you will be notified about my new videos. See you soon. Love and kisses.